your name?
My name is Nick.
Hi, Nick. How old are you, Nick?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years.
I'm 8 years old.
Great job. How are you today? Are you tired? Sleepy? No, hungry? Thirsty? No. Alright, so are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Yes, I want you to speak loudly, okay, Nick? Huh? Speak loudly, okay?
Yes.
Alright, now if you're ready, look at the board and now I'm gonna ask 2 questions. How are you doing? Or what are you doing?
What are you doing? And what TV?
Okay, teacher, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Painting.
Great job. Next,
What are you doing? Drawing.
coloring.
Coloring. What are you doing? Reading.
Great job. Okay, next, do you have a
Paddle.
do you have a paddle? Yes, I do, or no, I don't?
Yeah, I do.
Not do. Yes, I do. Next, do you have
Baseball.
do you have a baseball?
No, I don't.
Next, do you have
Do you have a soccer ball?
do you have a soccer ball?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Nick. Next, do you have a
Do you have a racket?
do you have a racket?
A racket?
Do you have a racket?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Okay. Okay, here. Let's start with other vocabulary. How many? What is that?
Stapler.
How many stapler do you have?
I have 3
Staplers.
staplers.
Okay, next. How many? What is that?
Eraser.
How many erasers do you have?
I have 5 erasers.
5 erasers.
5
Next, how many
color pencils.
do you have? How many color pencils do you have?
I have 10 color pencils.
Next, Nick, how many
How many
ruler do you have?
do you have? I have 6 rulers.
6 rulers. Next, how many? Okay, finish with how many. This time, you have to produce the beginning sound. What?
Water.
Next, question. So what is the beginning sound of the question?
Button.
Next,
Ostrich.
ostrich. Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Next,
The rabbit.
rabbit.
And the kangaroo.
Kangaroo or kangaroo?
Kangaroo.
Next, go next.
Hamster.
Next,
Yes.
yes.
Books.
Box, not books. Box. Box.
Box.
Next. E?
Elephant.
Elephant. Alright, so now you have to read. Okay, read and match. Let's read this one. Can you read?
Draw a half circle.
Say it again. Draw.
Draw a half circle.
Circle. That's circle. Circle.
Circle.
Circle.
Circle.
Circle.
Circle.
Okay, can you point number
3.
Number 3. Great job. Next.
Roll
Up.
out the ball.
Say it again. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball. Say it again. Bounce. Bounce the ball. Number 4. Great. Next.
Number 1.
Great job. Next.
Press the cheese.
Number
2.
Great job. Say thank you, teacher, and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Nick.